Yes sir, Rise and Grind, man. I'm back at you with another video with the Pull-Up King. This video we got a 2000 Mercedes-Benz E320. Gonna be replacing the alternator on it. Alright, this battery is not up under the hood. It is up underneath the seat, back seat, passenger side. Disconnect your battery terminal. You got these little tabs right here. Push on it and pull up on it, both sides. Alright, to release this tension on the belt, got our belt tensioner right here, and right below it, that's a 17 millimeter. Got a deep socket on it. That's how you release the tension. Alright, we got that belt off. Now, we got two external bolts. These are E14. One at the top, one at the bottom. Both of those up. Now you want to get a pry bar. Once you pry it, you have to wiggle it and maneuver it out. Make sure you don't snatch nothing. Probably could have got it from below. Looked like it got a little gap down there. So we got a 13 mil on that power wire. That worked out. And that is not the right part. Got a connector? No connector. So my client got this part, so let's straighten that out.
A few moments later.
Alright, we got the right part. Get that one in there. Don't forget to put that bracket back on first. Alright, we in there. Go ahead and install the belt. We in there. Alright, always make sure your connections are tight, because this right here can cause a bad battery or for it to run out of juice.